M for Agri NEI is an initiative taken by Media Lab Asia and Central Agricultural University with an objective to empower the farmers of Northeastern region by providing right information on right time. M for Agri NEI is a mix of online and offline intervention in agriculture and allied areas. This program would be using an innovative system, namely Interactive Information Dissemination System (IIDS), which is a combination of IVRS, mobile, and web application. The major features of IIDS and its advantages to the farmer and other stakeholders are: farmer can register with their own and farm details to avail personalized advisory services. Farmer can discuss their crop problem with expert through live interaction on toll-free number in their own language.
Publish. If young mobile please check M4 Agri NEI service.
Expert can view farm history and past advisory given while interacting with the farmer for better understanding and to provide personalized solution. Expert may consult with their counterpart through call conferencing facility in IIDS during live interaction with farmer. IDS also provide access to knowledge data bank to facilitate expert to bestow advisory. Farmer can listen to the solution provided by the expert 24/7 on toll-free number. Smartphone application is made available to the field coordinator for aggregation of offline and online multimedia queries with crop images, small videos, and voice recording from the registered farmer. Farmer can share their best practices with other farmers and can also listen the same from them by dialing the toll-free number. Apart from just providing a solution, all updates pertaining to farmer query are incessantly tracked for feedback and follow-up services by quality control and monitoring team. The system is envisioned towards bridging the digital divide and knowledge gaps and to ensure that the farmer in the last mile is empowered to take informed decision in his day-to-day agricultural practices. M for Agri NEI is an attempt with Farmer First slogan in mind and to make him an e-farmer by empowering with right information at right time. System enables expert with a unique feature, namely Know Your Farmer (KYF), to deliver better farm and farmer specific advisories. Thank you.